Windows 10 S Mode was a lockdown version of Windows 10 designed for enhanced security and performance. It restricted app installations to the Microsoft Store only and enforced Microsoft Edge as the default browser. The goal was to reduce malware risks and optimize performance, especially for education and low-end devices. Is Windows 10 S Mode still relevant? No. As of late 2025, Windows 10 S Mode is effectively obsolete and no longer actively supported by Microsoft. It was discontinued in 2023. Windows 10 itself reached its end of life in October 2025, meaning no new security updates or features are provided. Technically, switching out of S Mode on Windows 10 is still possible for users on legacy hardware. However, Microsoft no longer encourages or supports this process. Attempting to switch S Mode on unsupported devices could lead to compatibility issues or loss of functionality. S Mode switches are irreversible on most devices post-discontinuation. Microsoft discontinued S Mode to streamline their focus on Windows 11. Windows 11 offers full app compatibility without restrictions. This reflects a broader industry shift toward flexible OS designs, where security is built in rather than restrictive. Historically, to switch out of Windows 10 S Mode, users would first navigate to Settings by clicking the Start button and selecting the gear icon. Then go to Update and Security and click on Activation. On the Activation page, select the option to switch to Windows 10 Home or switch to Windows 10 Pro, depending on your device license. This would redirect you to the Microsoft Store. The process required an internet connection for Microsoft to verify the switch. Users often needed to purchase or activate a full Windows 10 license, upgrading from the free S Mode edition. A compatible device with an active Microsoft account and sufficient storage were also necessary. Switching out of S Mode was a one-way process. Once completed, users couldn't revert back to S Mode without performing a clean reinstall of Windows, which would reset the system to its original state. Since Windows 10 reached its end of life in October 2025, switching out of S Mode now carries significant risks. You'll no longer receive security updates, leaving your system vulnerable to malware and cyber threats. Without updates, your system becomes susceptible to known vulnerabilities like outdated software and zero-day exploits that hackers can exploit. This defeats the security purpose that S Mode was designed to provide. You may encounter compatibility issues with older hardware and drivers. Microsoft discourages switching out of S Mode on unsupported devices, as it could lead to loss of functionality or irreversible changes to your system. Instead of risking these issues, consider upgrading to Windows 11. It provides ongoing security updates, better compatibility with modern hardware, and eliminates the need for S Mode restrictions entirely. The primary alternative to Windows 10 S Mode is upgrading to Windows 11, which Microsoft actively encourages. Windows 11 eliminates S Mode entirely, providing unrestricted app installations by default. While offering full flexibility, Windows 11 incorporates advanced security features that surpass S Mode's limitations. These include TPM 2.0 hardware security and virtualization-based security. Other viable alternatives include cloud-based solutions for managed environments and Windows 11 education for schools, both offering modern security without restrictive modes. These alternatives provide the flexibility of full Windows while maintaining robust security, making the transition from S Mode straightforward and beneficial. The future of secure Windows environments shows a clear shift toward open ecosystems with built-in security features. Future versions of Windows, including rumored Windows 12, are expected to continue this openness. AI-driven security like Copilot integration will replace restrictive modes such as S Mode. Microsoft is emphasizing subscription models, such as Windows 365 and AI-centric computing. This evolution makes locked modes like S Mode relics of the past, focusing on flexible, secure computing.